Nick and Alex Anderson. We're Newstead Pastoral Company, Newstead, Mullaley, North Western New South Wales, and Ollie. And we're here in a barley crop that we planted to get some ground cover back on, which then did better than we expected, but not well enough to make grain. So we did some numbers on whether to graze or cut for hay, and went out and bought 140 trade cows, and we've been time managed grazing it since then. We cut hay off half of it because we didn't get enough cows to get over the lot. We thought we'd let half of it try and go to grain, but it didn't because we didn't get any rain at all, so we cut hay off half of it, which is a bit of a shame. But what we've got here is, it's a bit of a thicker patch, but it's a better demonstration of what we're trying to achieve by time managed grazing. This is 140 head we've got at the moment, moved daily.
They're doing about 1.6 hectares a day.
Yep.
And this is a pretty good example of sort of the knockdown and litter that we're trying to leave behind. Just aiming for a really good mat and as much ground cover as possible. And that's going to really help increase our water use efficiency of any rainfall that we're lucky enough to get.
The idea is to get to the point where you can't see any black dirt from above at all. As we were saying before, when we're in a bit of the thinner stuff, when you're not starting with an awful lot, it's difficult to get great coverage. But this is a pretty good demonstration of what's achievable. This probably would have been the equivalent, I'm guessing, this section would have been about a 3 tonne to the hectare grain crop. Although it wasn't going to fill at all because we didn't get any finishing grain. So it wasn't a great crop to start off with, but as you can see, we put the cattle through here, high density, and moved them on fairly quickly, and they've just smashed it down, and we've got really quite effective coverage.
And a lot of manure and urine spread really well everywhere, and the cattle have done a great job of breaking up any soil that was there.
Any hard crust.
Any hard lands. Yeah.